Legendary singer Bharat Ratna, Swar Kokila, the Nightingale of India, left for a heavenly abode today on February 6, 2022. She was 92. The veteran singer was admitted to a city hospital in Mumbai in early January this year after she tested positive for COVID-19 and was also diagnosed with pneumonia. Around January 28, she was taken off the ventilator after she showed slight signs of improvement. However, on February 5, Lata ji's condition deteriorated and she was back on ventilator's support. Lata ji was born on September 28, 1929 in Indore. The great legendary singer noted for a distinctive voice and a vocal range that extended over more than 3 octaves. Her career spanned nearly 6 decades and she recorded songs for the soundtracks of more than 2,000 Indian films. She won 4 Filmfare Awards and was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, one of India's highest civilian honours, in 1999, and 2 years later she became only the second film celebrity after Satyajit Ray to receive the Bharat Ratna in 2001, India's highest civilian award for performance of the highest order in any field. Lata ji recorded the first song of her career in 1942 for Marathi movie, but unfortunately the song was removed from the film's final cut. From classical to cabaret, Hindi to Assamese, Lata ji's talent transcended boundaries and languages as her caliber in singing knew no bounds. She recorded her last song, Sogand Mujhe Is Mitti Ki, as a tribute to the Indian Army and the nation. It was released on March 30, 2019. But her last full album was from 𝐕𝐫𝐢𝐬𝐤 in 2004. स्वर कोकिला भारत रत्न लता मंगेशकर जी को अश्रुपूरित श्रद्धांजलि एवं सादर नमन. Lata ji's irreplaceable contribution to the world of music will forever live on.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले